Was Rajiv Gandhi lobbying for a Swedish defense firm in the 70s? Now that's the claim that a new set of cables released by WikiLeaks has come out and made. But with the Swedish firm looking to sell fighter jets not landing the deal eventually, the authenticity of the allegation is in question. But the opposition is not willing to spare the Congress either way.
The year 1975, the Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi's older son Rajiv Gandhi, a pilot with Indian Airlines, even as his mother was in charge of the country and his brother Sanjay, an influential congressman. But this WikiLeaks cable dated October 1975 claims that Rajiv was acting as a middleman for Swedish company Saab Scania. At the time, Saab was pitching for a jet deal with India for a variant of this aircraft, the Vision. Julian Assange, who awaits extradition in the Ecuador Embassy, London, has released this cable as part of a tranche of cables from the era of American Secretary of State Henry Kissinger. The cable's claim has been rejected by the Congress.
There was no additional information to either refute or confirm the information. सारी कहानी की बुनियाद यहाँ से गिर जाती है.
The same cable also claims that French manufacturer Dassault had the son-in-law of then Air Chief O.P. Mehra working for it, as it pitched the variant of this Mirage for the same deal. The cables of 1976 then refer to the Swedes' understanding of family influences and what is described as the unique qualifications of Rajiv Gandhi, predictably bringing an opposition onslaught.
This is absolutely shocking revelations. Let us not forget that these revelations are making specific two charges about two of our late Prime Ministers. Late Prime Minister Indira Ji and late Prime Minister Rajiv Ji.
Shows the nexus which is there, which continues between arms dealers, foreign governments and people with political connections in India.
The Wiki claims will be hotly contested as Vision never really won the deal and Dassault came out trumps.
You know what happens? These diplomats here, to please their bosses in their own countries, do send such reports so that their heads do feel that our diplomats are working something.
Julian Assange's latest expose has already created flutters in India. And with more Kissinger cables to be released, more revelations could still be expected. Bureau Report, Times Now.